Welcome everyone to another new exciting video tutorial. Today I will show you how to use the makeup tools of PhotoKaya software. I will show you all these makeups like eyes makeup, lips color change, hair color change. So first we will open a photo. And let's move to the Adjustments tab in the PhotoKaya software. Here we will see the makeup tools. I am clicking on this dark pink brush. I reduce the opacity of the brush a little. And use the brush on the side above the A as needed. Now I have toggled this makeup layer and shown it. We will merge this layer. To change the lips color first, I will select the lip with pen tool. Right-click and make selection. After that, I will click once on this lip color change tool. And I will select a desired color by double-clicking on the color icon of its layer. Then friends can see how beautiful lips color has changed. Merge layers again. I am using this color to change hair color. So guys, you can use these tools to make your makeup as you like. Please give a like if you like the video. Thank you all.